Hello everyone, welcome back. It's time to get the Halloween look started. This year's first Halloween look is a look that I've been meaning to do ever since I started my channel. And this is one of my favorite makeup looks on film or TV, actually ever. And this is Melinda Gordon from The Ghost Whisperer. If you're interested in Halloween makeup, then please subscribe because I do a lot of those here. Now let's get started on the look. So there is going to be, of course, a reference photo. And Melinda's look that I'm going to do, she started wearing around season 2, I think, probably more towards the end of season 2. Hence, I have the hair which is a little bit akin to her, like Farrah Fawcett, feathery, blowout, a tiny little bit. And I'm wearing a frilly, lacy top, which she had a lot of. And then, of course, the heart pendant. And no earrings because mostly she didn't have on any earrings because of the hair, I guess. And then the look is going to be a really bronzy, smoky eye with peach blush, peach corally blush, and a peach lip. And of course, a lot of lashes, which is going to be a challenge, but we're pulling through. So first up, I'm starting on the brows. And she has more round of a brow shape throughout the show, or basically probably throughout her life. So I'm creating a little bit less of the, flicked out shape that I usually would. And it's gonna be a little bit feathery, so let's get started on it. I'm using the Pupa HD pencil in 01. And I'm using my Essence Brow Gel to set it. Okay, so these are the Melinda brows. As for the cheeks, she doesn't have anything else but blush on. So anything that's giving shape to her face is basically draping, so basically blush. And she always has a more coral pink color. And today I'm choosing, and I think this shade is going to be perfect for this look. This is the Miss Sporty Really Me blush, and the shade is called Really Sweet. Going in, and it's more towards like this part to shape the face, so let's go in. Okay, so basically this is the face makeup. I did have like base on like foundation and concealer and powder, by the way. And now moving on to the main attraction, which is the eyes. And the eyes are always bronze, like a bronzy dark brown, like such an interesting shade. And to recreate the look, I'm using this palette from I Heart Revolution. This is the Chocolate Truffle, and I'm showing this to you because this is such an amazing palette. So to recreate that look, I'm using this shade and this shade down here, and they are called Lover and Ganache. But first I need to set the lid, and I'm using this peachy shade from this really old Trended Up palette. Also setting the under eyes because they are really, really important in this look. And then I'm going into both of these shades. Like this, like that, like this, and like that. And creating the eye shape with them. Now switching to a more denser flat brush to define the shape a little bit better. And now to make them look a tiny bit more even, I'm using a small, fluffier brush, And I'm using this shade called SO and just blending at the edges. And now the fun part is really under the eyes, which means the same two colors on a smaller brush under the lash line basically, right until the middle corner there. So that's the main goal of the look. You know it's Halloween when I break out my black eyeliner. So this is of course the Max Factor kohl pencil in black. And I need to put this on the waterline and tightline with it. Wish me luck. Okay. Mascara is the Bambi Lash from L'Oreal. Avon Super Long for the bottom lashes. And famously she wore a lot of lashes, which I'm attempting today with these FRL falsies. And I'm gonna cut it in half. Now that the lashes are done, the eye look is basically done. The only highlight I think she was wearing though was probably on the brow bone. So I think we're adding a little bit of brow bone highlight with this one from Alverda, of course, on a fluffier brush. And then we're just going under the brow. Okay, and now for the lips. A little bit of liner that's basically the color of my lip, just to give it shape. This is all we need. And she was always wearing really glossy, like peachy glossy lips. So I'm putting on this lip gloss from Kiko, and this is in 03. The 3D highlight lip gloss, of course, in 03. And this is the perfect Melinda lip gloss shade. A tiny bit more. So this is the makeup look of Melinda Gordon from the Ghost Whisperer. I hope you guys like this. I hope you will try it because this is so easy. You can just dress up as her and look all mysterious like, as if you were seeing a ghost. So this is this year's first Halloween makeup look. I hope you guys liked it. And then until the next one. Bye bye.